In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Bob Glove in Roblox Slap Battles. So yes, the Bob Glove does have a super creepy face, and it also has a painfully low drop rate. And those are both good reasons to avoid it, but that's not how Slap Battles works. Hunting for rare and powerful gloves is the whole point of this Roblox battle game, isn't it? So even if they're as unsettling as Bob, you may still want to get it, okay? Using this glove is the only way to reliably summon this dark entity in combat. Now, Bob will then chase down your opponents and instantly kill them if you touch his black aura. So, even though there are ways of countering Bob, the Bob Glove is a powerful weapon in slap battles. And I'm going to show you how to unlock it right now. Now, Bob will chase down and kill your enemies for you, but only after you get his glove. So, to get the Bob Glove in slap battles, you need to summon Bob, and for that, you need a replica glove, okay? And the good news is that you can buy the replica glove for just 4,000 slaps. Now, the bad news is that the next step takes much longer. And here's what you need to do. You have to equip the replica, which isn't this hard, but then you have to go to the arena with at least one other player present. You have to use the replica glove's power, which is genetic engineering. If genetic engineering doesn't create the Bob, reset and try again. Now, every time you use the replica glove's power, there's a 1 in 7,500%, there's 1 in 7,500 chance of Bob appearing instead of the usual clone. Now, unfortunately, this means getting Bob to appear can require hours and hours of grinding, even if you're using alts and macros in a private server to speed up the process. Now, when Bob finally appears, you will get the Bob badge and Bob glove in slap battles. Although this process takes fewer steps than getting the firework glove, it's probably going to take much longer due to the tough RNG, okay? So I wish you the best of luck and the best of percentages when trying to summon Bob, and I hope this video helped you out.